What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Martin, and thank you so much for staying with us, and thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber. I know that I'm a bit zoomed in. Let me try and zoom myself out. But yeah, anyways, this is Dr. Martin. Thank you so much for always subscribing, and I'm so sorry for the 1 week that I took away. A lot happened. First of all, I got jacked. I lost my phone. I went to like an event, and I got to the event, like people, I think this one guy bumped into me and stole my phone, the same way it happens in movies. No, that's stupid, but yeah, that's what happened. So I lost my phone. I couldn't work. I couldn't do much. So apologies to my online students and obviously my YouTube audience. But we are back and we are obviously, running with it. So that's the first thing. And then the second week after that, I had to prepare for, the Passover season, because you know that obviously with us in Passover, we do have services and stuff. So that's what I was preparing for. So Passover passed. I'm going to show you guys a bit of, a clip of what was happening. As you guys can see, I'm going to try and edit right now in the B-roll, so I hope you guys can see it. So that's what was happening Passover. And then it was this week. So this week is obviously like a week where I want to come back hard. This is Monday. I want to obviously do like 3 or 5 videos this week. So between 3 and 5 videos, I'm going to be covering that. And on today's video, once again, I come again with another interesting topic. As you guys would know, I want to cover the topic of zone to zone and how you can obviously navigate through zones and how you can obviously use that for your trades. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you do want to sign up with the broker that we're trading with, we are trading with Hanko. Do click on the link in the description below and do sign up with us. And yeah, let's do it, man. Let's go to the video. What's up, guys? Welcome back once again. This is Chat Work with Dr. Martin, obviously. So I want to cover for you guys today an important topic that I feel is one of the most important elements of trading, the art of being able to trade from zone to zone. And I think this is obviously like a strategy that is growing so vast in the country, and a lot of people are now paying most attention to it, because obviously we do understand that, the market will from time to time move from a zone obviously to the next zone. So I'm going to be doing the same analysis that I did on US 30 like a few weeks ago. I think this is kind of like the same thing that I did like a few weeks ago. So I'm just gonna make my charts clean, and I'm gonna draw like relevant zones that I think I can see. And again, no two traders can spot the same zone. So for me, I do see some kind of sensitivity there and there as well. So I just look for 2 or more zones, and I'm obviously comfortable with the zones with 2 or more touches, obviously, and I'm obviously more comfortable with the zone that I'm drawing. And even here, I think I do see like some kind of sensitivity around here. So you can see even from the left and the right there, you can see from there as well. You can probably like adjust it a little bit if you feel as if it's a zone that is not sitting properly. But for me, this is like a proper zone, and I do see this being a possibility of this zone being valid. So I will obviously mark that out. And from here, we do see this and this and that, and obviously we do have these other zones as well. And then you can go to the 4-hourly time frame. So also do understand the art of time frames, that even the zones that we draw from the daily time frame will still be valid even on the H4. So for me, these zones will be valid zones. So as you can see right now, this has been like a strong zone that we did pick up from the daily. I'm going to mark it out so we can see the same zone even on a smaller time frame. So this is the same zone that I'm interested in. I can see that obviously from that area we did reject from the top over there, came back down to this zone, and we did break below this zone. So I can now drop down to a smaller time frame to get to understand exactly what happened over there. And I can see that, okay, like this whole region is a zone, obviously, and the market is sort of like spiking around that level. Again, we do have like a high that the market printed, which obviously failed to go and touch that zone and fulfill it to the T. But I mean, we can clearly see exactly how then this high was obviously printed out from market open today. So this is now the high of the day, and you can see how the market keeps on spiking around that level. So this would typically be a zone in an area that I obviously want to trade from, because we can see that, okay, from this area, the market broke out, printed a high from there, and still, went down from that area. So we can see that the market failed to obviously get to that level. And this was now an area that the market printed. So this is an area of significance and an area of importance that we want to see. So you go down to that 30-minute time frame to obviously see like things a bit more in depth, and you can see how then this region becomes a region where the market keeps on spiking quite a lot. So this would have been a region and an area of sells for me. So I would have obviously sold from here, and obviously if I do sell from here, my stop is slightly above that previous high, and obviously we are targeting now the lower zone that we are trading. And if you look at the risk to reward ratio, this is actually quite beautiful, because we're risking just like we're risking 200 to make 600. So that's like a 1:3 kind of a risk to reward. So this is a beautiful kind of a trade that I would have obviously taken from the top of this level over here. And if you look at it properly, even if we do come and spike around and on the New York Open, we are still quite valid within the trade within the zone that we spoke about earlier on. So this is like the furthest they can spike, but with how the market is actually printed out over here, I do think that we did establish our high over there, and we can obviously see the market sinking down further to that level and region that we did speak about. This is how you can trade using zones, and this is how you can obviously maximize your trading skills and gain just by using zones. And I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. And once again, before I close the video, don't forget that we are actually sponsored by Hanko Traders. You can see even on the top of the screen that we are sponsored by Hanko, and they do give us beautiful spreads to trade with. And if you do want to open an account with Hanko, do click the link on my bio and watch my previous videos to see exactly how we navigate through the platform on Hanko and open an account over there. They do even have accounts where we have bonuses and stuff. So I hope you guys are able to open accounts and trade with the best broker that we are currently using. And this is Dr. Martin. We're signing out. Peace out.